Good afternoon and welcome back to another quick acrylic pour. Well, I'll try and make it quick today. Michelle Pear Art. My name is Mickey. So just going to have a little muck around today. I might do, going to have black on this side. So we're just going to pour the black. So I might fast forward me doing the black here and the white on that side, and I will come straight back. Okay, so we're going to put on some Liquitex turquoise blue. Then some metallic silver. Then I'm going to add some Amsterdam permanent blue violet. Then some sky blue light. Give that a bit of a shake. Then some, I don't know what this is, it's some scrapings that I had from previous painting. And some iridescent white. And then I'm just going to add just a touch more of the permanent blue violet. Give it a bit of a torch. And we're just going to blow it out. Okay, don't know what that is. Something in there. Okay. Okay, that is so pretty. Don't think I really want to do much with this painting. That is, I think I like it the way it is. I don't even think I'm going to torch it. Just want to fix this bit up with my finger. Okay. I think I actually really like this. Love the colour combo. So just scraping my underneath, just so my painting stops falling off. And we'll go to this side. And very quick one today, but I think it's quite pretty. The only thing I do maybe want to fix up is these cells here. I'm a bit iffy about. It's sort of getting eaten up here, but I can always come back and touch it up when it dries. But this here is very, very pretty. Okay, I might bring you down to have a quick look. Okay, let's have a look at this. Look at those colours, very pretty. Okay, see some of the shimmer there. So these are those cells that I'm not quite sure what I'm going to keep. Those ones there, but I can actually come back and touch those up. So I might actually give it a bit of a touch up, and we will see. So what I want to do, I think I do want to touch it up. Where's my scraper? So I just want to get rid of probably this here. I want to get rid of probably this part here and this part just here. Okay, so get rid of those. It's going to touch up with a bit more of the black. Okay, so already that's looking a bit better. Okay, so I think what I might do is just bring this. This is just a bit much paint. So what I might do is put you back up while I give this a tilt. So I don't want to blow it out anymore. I just would like to maybe give it a little bit of a tilt. And see what we end up with. Okay, so that's it at the moment, and might just blow it. I don't know if I'll give it a tilt. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay, put this light back on for you. Okay, so I've decided I'm just going to give it a bit of a blow. Right. Yep. Okay. Well, I think that should be about it. Okay, I will bring you down for a look. Okay, so I'm much happier with this now. I'll just give you a look-see of this. Very pretty colours. I think it goes this way, is my guess. You got the silver in there. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know what you think of this colour combination. I think it's quite pretty. It's got some greys in there, the black, the mauve, purple and some blues. Let me know what you think, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see any certain colour combinations, just let me know in the comments below, and I will see you again next video for another haul. Thank you.